Alright, so we're very excited to release a brand new feature in the application. This is creating a custom tracking tool for every project. So regardless of what is your goals for the project, we now have the ability to flexibly create custom setups, custom views in our tracker. What you're looking at is the standard view with no information currently. We have a general information tab and you can pick from any of the drop downs and choose the columns. So going through these, if any of these are relevant or something you want to put in here, you can check the box. Going into green attributes, this is a list of some of the key features we have under those attributes. So I can pick VOC content, red list material, no urated formaldehyde, some other selections, and you're seeing them show up on the right side in the column section. Administrative information, if I click that drop down, I can assign to what products are assigned to which person, if these products are being marked as purchased, to sort and filter. Product usage is the obviously for interior products, depending on how the products are being used. And then documents and certifications. This gets into all the drop downs for the current certifications and things that are supported in the application. So I can pick cradle to cradle. I can go through here and I'm going to pick a couple other ones. You'll see this is a pretty robust list, so it really matters to what it is you're tracking and what criteria are specifically important to these products that you may be interested in. So I'll pick a couple other ones in here. Let me add in, go through here. Set that one up. We can also go into, let's put a third, we'll go up to the top here and put floor score as well. Add that in there. So document type, another option. We can go into construction submittals, data sheets, all the different criteria relevant. Again, these are all the same drop downs we have in the system. So I can go in there. It has a document type construction submittal. This is great for the general contractor. We go into select products that have HPDs, products that have other criteria, and this is really flexible depending on if you're the designer, subcontractor, contractor, third-party owner, depending on where you fit into the project. This is a custom view for what your needs are. As you set them up, you can move them up and down into different settings. So I can pull this one all the way to the top. I want to set that one as the first column, purchased as the second, and then third, we're going to go into, I'll pick on product usage and drag that one up. So very, very flexible the way this is controlled. So once I get these in a particular order that I want, and you'll see that there's a little X over on the right side, you can pull any of these out. I can hit save, and that's just going to give me a little pop-up there. I'm going to save that, and it's going to actually generate that view. So what we just had is 3 standard columns, which is always there. It now has all those additional columns to sort and filter by in the project itself. So again, this can be customized for each user. Every person that comes into the project is going to have their own view set up and saved to return. So you can see here I can filter these criteria. You'll see drop downs if there's multiple options, or a sort and filter arrow at the top. We can go here and assign users, and I just want to look at the ones that I've been assigned maybe. So I can go here and select myself from the drop down box. I can turn that back to all. I can go into purchased, sort that. So you can see this is going to be changing as the project moves through the life cycle. So this information is going to be great for you to really understand what information is captured, what information might be missing. And just like all the other trackers in GreenWizard, this information can come in here and be turned on, turned off. You'll be able to add information by simply clicking on one of the cells. Product information can be sorted out. So red list material, this would be great for living building challenge projects, or a lot of this can be used just to build it to a certain standard. Maybe there's particular criteria you're looking for your project. Very, very easy to sort through. You can see here, all of these products are NAUF compliant, except for these ones down at the bottom. We can get into, again, you'll see the drop downs depending on what is and isn't available, or you can sort them all to the top. So very flexible. Again, this can be set up as an admin view, or you could go in here and view for individual team members depending on what their role in the project is. They'll be able to track information that's relevant to just their needs. What you'll also see here is something that's going to come along very shortly is this going in and changing additional information and exporting this out into our Excel feature, just like we've done with some of the other tools. I'm going to go in here and drop a couple of these off. Maybe these are no longer relevant to what I'm tracking, or there's no products that are in here that I want to do, and I can save. You'll see this automatically updating. And again, every time you make a change, you can either save that view and continue back with it, or as I mentioned, coming soon here is this export feature. Those will export in the current view that it's staying at. Thank you always for watching, and we invite you to go to greenwizard.com/education to learn more and to watch other videos in this series.